Kids have probably been spending a little extra time playing in their room these days. Yes. Toys and clutter adding up.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Jillian Lopez joins us with some tips from our partners at Better Homes and Gardens on how to organize your kids' room in the easiest ways possible, Joe.
Yes.
Well, we all know kids love to play with their toys and read their books, but the cleaning up part is never fun. So our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are sharing some tips for how to keep your kids' rooms both organized and clean.
A kid's room is often filled with toys, books, and games, but with that comes a lot of clutter. You can put the fun into functional with these storage strategies. To keep items off the floor, use a bookcase. Put reading materials in acrylic bins so titles are clearly visible. For style points, organize books by color to achieve a color-blocked look. Use visual cues on lidded boxes to organize similar toys. Simple drawings on these cardboard boxes indicate what toys are inside. If you're not much of an artist, you can use picture labels instead. Stow bulky toys and games in a deep-lidded chest. Look for slow-release hinges that won't pinch little fingers. For favorite plush toys, use a big catch-all basket. Choose a soft-sided design that will encourage kids to clean up after themselves. And don't forget under the bed. It's prime real estate for often used items that are tricky to store. Like this train table, it rolls out with ease and slides beneath the bed when playtime is over. Even if your kid's room is small, a few handy storage helpers like these can turn chaos into calm.
Well, Better Homes and Gardens has a variety of tips and tricks for plenty of things like this, so you can always go over to bhg.com for all that information. Better Homes and Gardens is owned by the same company that owns this TV station, the Meredith Corporation.